I bet you didn't think I'd show up to your event. Well, now that we're face to face, what do you have to say to all the people you burn with your Lambo and Maserati packages?
I apologize first and foremost.
Apologize? Are you kidding me? You did the whole apologize thing back with wholesale trade lines. What I want to know is, what does Uncle Mike do now that the Crusader is at his event?
What does Uncle Mike do? Uncle Mike pushes you because you need to be pushed.
Push me? You push me, I'm gonna bounce your head around this whole place like a basketball court. Why the hell did you even start this business in the first place?
I built it on the premises of I need to get out of where I'm at to finally get to where I'm at today.
So you built a system to scam thousands of people out of money because you're greedy. Well, that's not a surprise. Are there any other reasons you did this?
To be successful.
To be successful. Well, don't you have something that you need to say to all the people trying to get refunds right now?
I'm telling you, it's your money, you're gonna get it back. It's not going anywhere.
Oh, yeah. Mike, no one believes the lies. No one believes anything you say.
I have a problem.
Yeah, no shit you have a problem. So let me get this straight. Because you have a problem, all these people are just gonna have to take the L and they're not getting refunded?
Just the way it works. Sorry, it's not unfair. Yeah, the system is unfair, but you know what? The fair comes twice a year. That's just the way it is.
Oh, bullshit. There are tons of people that are contacting me daily, trying to have me help them to get their money back from your greedy ass.
I'm looking for 5 people.
You're looking for 5 people? You got a hell of a lot more than 5 people that are trying to get refunds, damn it. How do you feel about the legal system coming down on your ass?
So the way I learned it is this: play the system, play the game.
Oh yeah, well I hope you know that people are becoming well aware of how your ass plays the system. I hope you're ready for a war.
It's game on.